Hey guys, iPhoneIPodReviewer here, and this is the new CodeThemed theme builder. The link to the theme builder will be in the description, and the link to my theme I made with it will be in the description also. Now, today I wanted to just do it because it's brand new. I wanted to show you all the different things that you can do, and it's very simple. Go to their website. You just create an account, which is free. There's mine. You can browse my theme. Up here at the top, you have it will say welcome guest and then sign in. You have browse, build the theme, home, blog, gallery, forms, help, contact, the search the themes, and code themed. Now, they're giving away an iPad. Sorry, giving me an iPod Touch as a promotional, I guess, gimmick because it's brand new, and I have to say it's a well made. I mean, product. Yeah, it's well made. It's definitely gonna have pretty good stuff in the near future of it. Who knows what it will contain? But as you see here, when this function is available, it will allow you to customize the status bar, icons, and other smaller images. So that's just the extras, as in features coming very soon. So by that, I'm gonna go with features are coming soon. Here I'm under the docs, coming soon. There's a lot of things that say coming soon. So who knows what there will be in the near future of this application. But they're gonna have an iPhone app through Cydia that you can push your themes to. So I'm gonna just get started over here with the wallpapers. Now, first, actually, let me show you what my theme already contains. It's just something I made up in a few minutes. It wasn't much. There's not much really to it yet, but let's just go through here. And it's a little dark icon. I just named it dark. Wasn't really creative with it. The icons are very neat, nice, easy, well known, well created, everything. So let's just click here, and let's use this. Now you have apply to home or lock screen under the wallpapers. The two things and the X button. So let's do apply to the home screen. Not bad. It's okay. It wouldn't accept it what I wanted. And let's do this to apply to the lock screen. Now over here you can lock your device. So you can see the lock screen. Call me or power off. Let me just unlock it. So now you see the power off, and you can hit the cancel and to get rid of these. You just do that. Over here at the sliders, down under extras, you can change the slider button. So let's just change this. They have plenty of more icons, but let's just do the turn off, and let's add something to this one. So you can unlock it. And over here under, let's do this quick. The slider buttons has upload your own. I haven't uploaded, but whenever you upload it, it will save it to your account. Most likely, that's what I'm taking from this. But it will save it to your account so you can use it for anything. Now, under here, you have slider text. So slide to unlock, slide to power off, slide to answer. You can change them, but it has to be it can't be so long. There's a max amount. So let's just go back out. Let's go to options. You can change the transparency of it. So there are the icons, no icons show, but you can click on it. Why would anyone want that? You can change it so if you don't like icons that are so dark, so light, and the way to get them to see is just scroll over it, or you can do that, change the page, but the ones down here you have to scroll over, and then you can make them really, really bright. So let's just go that way and do that. And you can change the undocked icons to whatever kind of a font you'd like. You can turn off their label fonts and colors, so it's just the pictures. And you can make the icon lock button titles, whatever the names of them, any colors you'd like. And then you can do that with the dock. So let's just go down to here, blue. Now let's go down to Verdana. You can turn off that icon, so all it is the app. Now over here you have the docs, and this also has an upload feature, but I'm not going to do that. You can have it as this little dock thing as we see here, the clear, this, load plenty more. Once they do load, it doesn't matter. Sorry, that's very jumpy kind of a website thing. Any dock you really want. Wood, the normal dock, standard, which isn't working right now. They do have sometimes issues because it is brand new. And you can just click on this, drag any application icon you want, hit the back up here, or you can click on from over here, and sometimes you get an error has occurred. Try the existing icons for the application. Sometimes you'll get that a bunch of times in a row. If you click on the icon, you'll get it too. But then at least over here it will change, and just wait a few seconds and it will change. So up here at the top, you'll be able to change these in the near coming future. So let's just add in an icon, and let's name it YouTube 2, because I really don't care what I'm gonna name it. And it just makes a blank with the delete button that I accidentally clicked. So let's do that again. YouTube, 2. And just try not to click the delete. And there are none for YouTube 2. Click to add your own. And then you can upload any of them. Whoops, sorry. You can upload whatever you'd like, or you can take something from, say, phone, and then we could drag it to YouTube. And now YouTube 2 has its own icon. And you don't have to make it a specific theme, as I have here. Like, it can be anything, honestly, you'd like. But I can have green icons. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. But here you can use your own icons. iPhone iconification to image. This is beta right now. It just takes an image and turns it into an iPhone an image. Sorry, it takes it to a normal image to an iPhone image, which is pretty nice so far. It sounds pretty good. And then here you can have your own icons. So let's go. Let's click use your own icon, which wasn't letting me upload any. Well, this is really annoying. Use your own. How come I can't? There we go. It isn't still beta. Remember that, guys? So they are very packed because there's been a lot of applications being used. So let me just go over here. Let's see. Where do I have it? Is it under work? Yes. iPhone themes. Let's go to Bluebird icons, and then let's pick 21. Use your own icons. Let it load. Let this load up, as they are in beta. The application name is 21 that this was attached to. Let's go back over here. Use your own icon. It is a very slow at this current moment, so I'm just going to do that again. Sorry, guys, that you have to sit through this right now. But the point is that an icon will appear over here, and you'll get to be able to move it as you normally would for this kind of application. But in the near future, they'll have all that stuff, so you can really be pretty well. And they're probably going to have to update bandwidth, because already it's the first day of launch, and it's already crashing, sort of. Because if you refresh the page, which I'll do in a few seconds, you can get this issue. Now let's go under the icons, the iconification. Do that, and still none. Alright, so currently, as you see, there's having an issue already. First day out. But that's basically that. It's pretty well. Like, I'll try it under the walls. Upload. Now let's go back out to the Bluebird wallpaper. Now this is the Bluebird wallpaper, which is in the App Store. Not the wow. This is in the icon in Cydia, and as it's loading it up, just go faster. Alright, but that's probably gonna take a while. But that's the whole theme, and up here at the top you have randomize, which I'll do. Randomize, sure, why not? And then it randomizes any of the icons to whatever you would like that are icons they have stored in them. Now the App Store icons, I want to say these are probably the coolest icons. I mean, like, look at these. This one's pretty swirly, it's nice. This one's just kind of boring. But they have that. That's cool. And, like, look at that. That's like the Apple Store. The applications from the Apple. And I'm sure later on they'll have more ways to change your sounds and stuff, like up here they're gonna do. But then you can download the theme, or you can save changes. Alright, well, that's it, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe.